You can also ask yourself, how can technology support my first steps in this AI journey? Before digging deeper into the platform and capabilities, features, and functions, let's make sure that we identify the very first step properly in the process. And I can tell you it's not rocket science. We just have to do better than the red squirrel. We all know this cute little animal, don't we? And I think we can also agree that it's a very hardworking one. It spends its entire summer jumping from tree to tree, gathering and collecting every nut it can. And every single nut is being buried and hidden away as a preparation for the upcoming winter season. But guess what? Researchers show that the red squirrel is only able to retrieve 30% of all the nuts it had hidden previously. And this is exactly happening with customer data in our companies. Gartner says that only 25 to 30% of customer data is utilized effectively. And this is not a coincidence. Despite all the big data warehouse and data lake projects in recent years, 71% of companies' applications are still disconnected, working in silos. And at the same time, our customers expect much more from us, especially considering the amount of data they are willing to share with us in exchange to get a better customer experience. And the amount of data will grow in the future as well. We already generate more than 320 million terabytes of data on a daily basis on global level. Transactions, social engagements, IoT devices. Every interaction is a data point which creates a huge volume of data. I think it tells the whole story that 90% of all data ever created by humanity has been generated in the last 2 years. And obviously, we will also need the proper amount and the proper quality of data to have AI work on it. The old and gold principle, crap in, crap out, is even more valid for artificial intelligence. If we feed it with wrong data, the generated results, content, recommendations will be bad as well. So the challenge is how we as companies can harvest the data we have on our customers to keep up with competition, and we can be sure they invest a lot into data as well, to grow and to innovate at scale. Let's assume that a sales team needs a list of customers who have a high propensity to buy from us. But this is quite a common question, right? In the standard way, without data cloud, the sales team submits a ticket which lands in the queue of the data team. It takes a few days until a data analyst picks this case and runs the necessary queries, and boom, 1 week is already gone where we, as salespersons, receive the list. Some of our customers have already purchased from competition. With Data Cloud, it takes just a single prompt to create this list, done by the sales rep himself or herself, on the very same user interface he uses for his everyday job. I think this is what we can call agility in business. And the same can happen to a marketer. I talk to a lot of marketing experts, and they either complain about the amount of time they spend with creating segments, or the time they have to wait until these segments are created for them. Again, with Data Cloud, it takes just a single prompt and a few seconds to create even very complex and sophisticated segments.